Hey friends, if you wish to increase the download speed in Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the download speed. Okay, go to fast.com, okay, fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet speed here. And is it good enough? Is it reaching 200 Mbps or something? If yes, then it would be enough. I mean, not even 200 Mbps, 50 Mbps is enough. Now, I'll tell you why. If you think about it from my perspective, the Microsoft Store uses the internet, but it does not use a browser. So, what could be the reasons for slow speed? One is the slow speed of the internet itself, because you're downloading software products, so you'll need good enough internet speed. And the second one would be corrupt cache. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will clear all the cache. It will need some time to build Microsoft Store again, and there's nothing else that needs to be done. Yet, if you want to, you think that the problem has not been resolved, we have a command line to re-register the Microsoft Store. Simply copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, and then paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.